Hi, I'm Gerry from Gerry's Craft Room, and in this video I have the new Tonic Studios craft kit for you. Let me first walk you through the products of the kit first. There's an exclusive hard box die set with the amazing amount of 34 dies, the exclusive stamp set with 15 stamps, the kit wallet and exclusive sticker, classic card, mirror card, pearlescent card, specialty paper and glitter card. There's the black and gold foiled craft card pack. There's Glimmer paste, an adhesive tape runner and some cute minis again. Embellishment mousse, embossing powder and a crystal drop mini and a pot of pure Sheen glitter. And here are the dies. There are lots of dies, from the big box dies up to the smaller ones, to decorate the box with really fun shapes and elements that give you lots of options to make any paper crafting project, not only boxes. I start with a box, and the thing I really like is that it fits on less than half an A4 size sheet. And there are some bits in between that you can also use for the smaller dies. I cut the parts from the box out of pearlescent paper, and this is colored on both sides and it doesn't tear very easy, so it's perfect for a box. I'm going to glue the glitter card pieces in place. Now make sure to get the shapes pointing in the right direction. Of the box part, the big heart is the bottom and it's the top of the lid part, so I want to make sure the heart shapes are positioned in the right way. Just so you know, I added the main products I used in the description box for you. You can also find the full list of supplies on my blog. And if you're new here and you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. I also have a fun giveaway for you with some exclusive dies that were a big hit earlier this year. And I know you love them, so stay tuned. I will tell you more about that at the end. Now this glue makes the parts stick really well, so there's no need to use something heavy when drying. So I glued the rest of the parts in place, and now I can assemble the box. I start with folding the score lines. Add the adhesive with the tape runner, and then I add the parts a piece at a time. And then I do the same for the box. So here's the basic box, and the lid fits right on and it's really super cute. You can also decorate the inside of the box. I got glitter hearts with the box die, one for the lid and one for the box. And then I cut off the little bit that is sticking out, so it's a heart shape again. I added tape to the back, and then I'm going to add the heart in the box. And I'm going to do the same for the lid. And there you go, this is a very straightforward version of the cute little box with a nice finish from the added heart inside. Now I know that you don't all like boxes, so I have a bunch of cards to show you also. I'm going to make some cards with paper from the card pack, and I cut a heart shape out of the black card 4 times, and I'm going to add a gold card to the back. I use the tape runner again, and it's fun to try something new, and this works really well also for the smaller parts. I do like to add adhesive in between the shapes too, and in the middle so it stays flat. Now there are so many stamps and dies in this kit, you can use them for lots of makes, and it gives you versatile options to craft, so look a bit further and think outside the very adorable box. I added the gold card to the back, and then I taped the polka dotted card to the black note card. And then I'm going to add the first card on top. This is the first card base. For the next card I have a black card and a slightly smaller card from the card pack, and then I tape the card to the black card. Then I have some hearts and I tape those together too, using the tape runner, and it's fun that it also works on small parts. I did the other hearts the same way, and now I'm going to add them to the card. And I must say, if you want to speed up things, the tape runner is a great help. I cut off the bits that are sticking out. And another card is done so far. I'll come back for the sentiments in a bit. For the next card I added the foiled card and I taped the hearts together, and now I'm going to add them to the card. I added tape to the back of the first one and foam tape to the other heart. This will add to the dimension on the card. For the next card I cut a strip of the box using the die, and I'm going to cut off the little excess bits along the edges. And now I have the strip with the little scored parts. I cut the matching parts and I'm going to tape and glue them in place. And now I have the card and I'm going to extend the part with some bits I cut off earlier. Use your scraps is always fun to do. I'm adding some tape to the back. And I'm going to add the strips in place, just sticking out from both sides. And then I tape it to the card. I cut off the excess part. And then I added the piece to a black card. And here are the 4 cards. I'm going to make some sentiments. I stamped with clear embossing ink, and it's really hard to see on black, but I used the gold embossing powder, and then I'm going to melt it with the heat tool. And now I've finished the cards. I have 2 sentiments with foam tape on the back and 2 with regular tape, and I also heat embossed with black on gold paper. So here are the cards and the box. And then, as promised about the giveaway, I just reached 8,000 subscribers on my channel, and that is so super cool. I am so happy. So I want to say thanks to all of you who have been watching my videos, who subscribed to my channel and left one of the many wonderful comments. And I want to do a little giveaway. Who remembers Kraft Kit 19 with the 5 big word dies and the stamp set with the matching dies? I'm going to make 6 people happy with one of the 5 word dies and the sentiment stamp with matching dies set. So to have a chance on winning, you have to leave a comment. If there's a word you really like, you can tell that in the comment too. Or if you prefer the stamp set, just let me know. Or maybe you don't like to win at all, you can let me know that too. I will pick the winners randomly on December 12th, so you have a whole month to join the giveaway and have a chance on winning one of the exclusive dies or stamps that are no longer available as they were sold out in a jiffy. Now I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment to get a chance on winning one of the dies or the stamp set with the matching dies. So I wish you good luck and make sure to keep on crafting!